Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today I'm going to show you how to turn a few Dollar Tree items into something spectacular, and let's go ahead and get started. First things first, I've got this margarita glass. Then I've got this canister here. The only part of the canister we're going to be using is the lid, so you'll be able to save this for another project. I am also using one of these bowls here, and then I'm also using one of these candy dishes. And that is it. The only other thing I'm adding in here is this submersible LED light. It's waterproof light, and this company actually sent this to me for free, and so I thought it would be perfect for this. And it comes with a remote control and one of these guys here. This is actually really cool, but it has a magnet and some suction cups. And again, it goes, you can put it in the pool with the suction cups, but I'm going to be putting it on here. And then let me show you, you turn it on. It's got all these great colors. So we are going to make this into something that is totally cool. It also has some other stuff like strobes. Oh, I don't like that. There's some spark. There's crossfade, and if you like to see all of the different colors. But I know you guys will ask me about this, so I will put the link down below. It's on Amazon, and I'm sure you would like it. All right, so let's get started, because this is really quick and easy. So I thought a little quick commercial would be good. All right, all we're going to do is we are going to do what we always do. We're going to take our margarita glass. We're going to flip it upside down. Now, I would suggest using E6000 for this, okay? You're going to put E6000 up on here. For time's sake, I'm just going to be using my hot glue gun. And let's go ahead and put that hot glue all the way around the outside. You could actually do some E6000 and hot glue if you wanted to. Just don't put them together. So put a little bit of E6000 like on one area. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to stick, well, I'm actually going to do it this way so you can see. We're going to stick that right in the center. Make sure you get it in the center. Okay. Now we've got that bottom part of our vase here. And let me show you what I did. See that? Now that would make a lovely dish on its own. And I'm going to take pictures of all of this for you so you could see better. Unfortunately, we have people working from home because of the quarantine, so I can't show you everything. We're going to take our candy dish. We're going to turn that guy right upside down. Now, this is where you're going to want to make sure you take that E6000. You're going to put it right on the lip here, because this fits perfectly right on top of there. And if you wanted to color this white, black, maybe some other kind of faux painting, you would do it before you stick it on there, okay? So same with painting anything else. You could paint all of this if you'd like, but I'm not going to paint any of it. I am going to leave it all raw because I see that it is beautiful just the way it is. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that E6000 and line the rim here. You want to definitely use the E6000 on this part. And once you do that, then you're going to, I'm still going to use the hot glue for time's sake here. So we're going to put that on the inside down by the bottom. Just like that. And then you're going to fit that right on there. And like I said, it is a perfect fit. So that glue is going to stick on there. I didn't put really a lot on there yet. Ooh, it's hot. So anyways, oh, yeah, I didn't put a lot on there. But you'll be able to lift it. That's why I would definitely choose the E6000. And I'm going to do that after. But then, guess what? You take this you take this, and this is going to fit so perfectly together. It creates a little lip, and so it doesn't move around. Okay, now I'm going to take my light. I'm going to put that in here. That way I can put it up on a nice high shelf and still be able to turn it on. Okay. And now I'm going to put this lid on top of it, and I am going to show you some pictures. So did you see how well that fit together? Oh my goodness, you're not going to believe it when I show you the pictures. Please make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. Show your friends, or don't if you're going to make this as a gift, because let me tell you, it is beautiful. I haven't put any bling or anything else on there, but we could. We could paint it. There's so much you guys could do. But let's go ahead and look at how beautiful it is. Thank you guys. Bye.